Experience unmatched efficiency with our advanced brushless motor, designed to deliver optimal performance. Experience the powerful performance of the upgraded 40V motor, delivering efficient results. With a 13-inch cutting width and a 25-liter grass catcher, MZK's mower covers more ground in less time. The spacious cutting deck minimizes the number of passes needed, allowing you to finish your lawn care quickly and efficiently. Customize your lawn care with MZK's 4 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1.5 inches to 2.8 inches. This flexibility accommodates various grass depths and seasonal needs, ensuring a perfectly manicured lawn year-round. Adjust the height easily to keep your yard in top condition throughout different growing seasons. Weighing only 26.5 pounds, MZK's mower is incredibly easy to maneuver and transport. LT's lightweight design reduces strain during use, making it ideal for users of all ages. Whether you're moving it around your yard or transporting it to different areas, the lightweight construction ensures effortless handling. Enjoy a hassle-free and secure start with MZK's intuitive 2-step activation process. This safety feature ensures that the mower only starts when you're ready, preventing accidental engagement.